Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Stay one step ahead. I'm back with a new video, and if you like the content, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Well, our today's topic is Proverbs. So, what is a proverb? What do we understand by this term? A proverb is a short, popular saying containing a wise thought. It is a piece of advice or a general truth which teaches us important life lessons. Come, let's learn something new today. Let's learn a new proverb. So here we have the proverb, don't count your chickens before they hatch. Now, some of you might be familiar with this proverb, some may not. Come, let's see what message does this proverb try to convey. Suppose you are in possession of a hen and it has laid 10 eggs. Does that mean you will soon have 10 chickens? If you say yes, well, you must then remember the saying, don't count your chickens before they hatch. This is because it is not guaranteed that all the chickens will hatch successfully and leave. Complications may arise and some of them may die before they even have a chance to hatch. Therefore, always remember, you should not assume that something will definitely happen until you are absolutely sure about it or you see it happening for real. You shouldn't make plans based only on assumptions because that can lead to disappointment. Let me narrate a story so that the meaning of the proverb becomes clear to you all. Here we have the story of a young man named Joe. Joe is a young man of 30. He joined a private company at the age of 25 after completing his MBA. And since then, he has been working with that company. He is quite smart, intelligent and confident and is able to manage his clients efficiently. He has been working on some really challenging projects recently and his boss is quite impressed with his work. Now this makes him believe that he deserves a promotion and so he applies for it. This time he is very sure that he is going to be promoted to the position of a project manager. He is so excited that he starts daydreaming about his future. He plans to move to a bigger house after getting the promotion. Without even waiting for a confirmation, he shares the news with his family and friends that he is going to get the long-awaited promotion very soon. Finally, the day he has been waiting for throughout the year arrives. He reaches his office with a firm belief that he is going to receive his promotion letter that day. But unfortunately, that doesn't happen. He is flabbergasted when he comes to know that his promotion has been passed over and someone else has received the good news. He is so stupefied by the news that he sits in silence for some time. He is unable to concentrate on his work. He tries to figure out why he hasn't been promoted. He keeps on thinking, how will I share this news with my family and friends? I have already informed them about my promotion. How will they react? I'm such a fool. I should have waited for a written confirmation regarding my promotion. He gets very upset, but at the same time learns an important lesson. He should not have counted his chickens before hatching. And now I hope the message is clear to you all and you won't make such mistakes in your life. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.